welcome back to Anything Ainsley. Today I'm making a butterfly nature weaving. Here's what you need. Cardboard, dried leaves and flowers, template for butterfly, rubber band, scissors, pencil. That's it, let's get started. First, trace the template onto the cardboard. Then cut out the butterfly. After that, cut notches on both sides. Then, place the rubber band on the weaving board and use the notches to hold them in place. Then, you're gonna add the dried leaves and flowers underneath. And look, it's the nature butterfly. Watch it fly away. This was so fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the link in the description and get 37 free crafts when you subscribe to our newsletter.